Welcome back to my real estate podcast with David Liberatore. I'm your host, and today we're diving into something really exciting, the Ritz-Carlton Residences in Sarasota. David, thanks so much for being here. I know you know this project inside and out, so I'm really curious to pick your brain about it.
Hey, thanks for having me. I'm pumped to talk about this. The Ritz-Carlton Residences Sarasota is honestly one of the most unique luxury residential projects in Florida right now. It's not just another condo, it's a whole lifestyle experience. And that's what really sets it apart.
Okay, so when you say lifestyle experience, what exactly does that mean? Like, what are we actually talking about here? Is it just the building, or is there more to it?
Great question. So it's definitely more than just the building. You've got the residences themselves. These are incredibly well-designed, high-end units. But then you also get access to all the Ritz-Carlton amenities and services. We're talking concierge, housekeeping, fine dining, spa services, all of that stuff. It's like owning a home, but having a 5-star hotel at your fingertips whenever you need it.
Oh, wow. I love that. So you're essentially getting the best of both worlds. Your own private space, but with all these incredible services included. That's actually really smart for people who want luxury, but also don't want to deal with all the maintenance headaches, right?
Exactly. And that's a huge appeal for buyers. You've got people coming from up north, successful professionals, retirees. They want to enjoy their time in Sarasota, not spend it managing a property. Plus, the location is phenomenal. You're right there in Sarasota, which has this great blend of culture, dining, and natural beauty. It's not overdeveloped like some other Florida markets.
That's a really good point. Sarasota has such a different vibe than like Miami or Tampa. So for someone who's actually thinking about buying here, and I'm sure you get this question a lot, what should they really be looking at? Like, what are the key things a buyer needs to know before they jump in?
So the biggest thing is understanding what you're really buying into. You're not just buying a unit, you're buying into a community and a brand. That comes with a certain price point, obviously, but it also comes with value that extends way beyond just the square footage. You want to look at the floor plans, the finishes, what amenities are included, and honestly, what the resale potential looks like. Ritz-Carlton Residences have historically held their value really well because of that brand recognition and the service model.
That's really smart thinking about resale from day one. And I imagine the fact that it's a Ritz-Carlton, like that's a name people recognize and trust, that probably matters more than people realize, doesn't it?
Absolutely. The Ritz-Carlton name carries weight. When you're looking at luxury real estate, especially in a market like Sarasota, that pedigree matters. It attracts a certain caliber of buyer, it attracts investors who know the brand, and it makes the property easier to sell down the line. You're not trying to convince someone why your luxury condo is worth the price. The Ritz-Carlton does that for you.
No kidding. So if someone's listening right now and they're actually interested in learning more about this project, what would be the best next step? Like, what should they be doing?
Definitely reach out and get on a tour. You really need to see the space, feel the quality, and talk to someone who can walk you through the specifics of each unit. Every floor plan is different, and what works for one buyer might not work for another. Plus, having a real estate professional who knows the project inside and out makes a huge difference. We can answer all those detailed questions about pricing, availability, and what the actual ownership experience looks like.
That makes total sense. Well, David, this has been awesome. I feel like I've learned a ton about the Ritz-Carlton Residences and what makes it special. Thanks so much for breaking it all down for us. If anyone wants to learn more, they should definitely reach out to you, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I love talking about this project because I genuinely believe it's a great opportunity for the right buyer. So anyone curious, whether they're seriously thinking about buying or just exploring options, hit me up. I'm here to help.